Oh, zoo gate swung wide, come inside. Animals are waiting, let's say hi. Monkey jumped and waved at me, swung from the branches of a big tall tree. Kangaroo went hop, 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 bouncing high, she'll never stop. Tiger chased his tail so fast, giggled when he rolled right past. Hippo splashed in bubbly goo, made a fountain, splashy-shoo. Crocodile sang, danced a little tap, tap, tap. It's a fun day at the zoo, so many things for us to do. Slide and swing and play around, happy smiles are all we found. Gorilla beat his chest, boom, boom. Played the drums with big kaboom. Snake went slither, shake, shake, shake. Wiggled like a wobbly snake. Dino stomped, roar, 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 roar. Kids all cheered and wanted more. Red panda climbed so fluffy and shy, waved hello from way up high. Otter flipped and spun so free, splashed us all. The birds sang songs, the sun was bright. It was such a lovely sight. La la la, the zoo is fun. We played all day in the sun with every friend, both old and new. Come again, we'll see you too.